Here's how to export Gemini chats as a PDF. Gemini does not include a download as PDF button, but you can export any Gemini chat using two methods. First, we'll use Google's built-in method. This first method takes 2 steps, and formatting may not be retained. To export a chat using this method, click the three-dot More icon at the bottom of your chat. From the menu, select Export to Docs. Look for the pop-up in the bottom left corner. Click Open Docs. Once the document opens, go to the File tab, hover over Download, then select PDF document. The file downloads as a PDF. This method works well when exporting one chat at a time. It doesn't support exporting the entire conversation. The second method lets you export both single chats and the full conversation in one click without formatting changes. Let's move to the second method. This method uses the AI Chat to Word or PDF extension. It lets you export in one click and keeps tables and math formatting intact. You'll find the extension link in the description below. After installing it, refresh the Gemini page. You'll now see PDF export buttons inside Gemini. To export a single response, click the PDF button below that response. To export the full conversation, click the PDF button in the top right corner. To export only Gemini responses, click the settings icon. Under Conversion Settings, check Export Only Gemini Responses. Then click the PDF button to download it. That's it. Your Gemini chat is now saved as a clean, professional PDF file. Like this video, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.